Here the second tutorial on my new website, blog.grooff.be, and in this second tutorial I'll add some options to the command plugin. Here you can see it was original, but now I added this little icon to it, indicating there are some settings, some options to choose from. Another examples of command options are when you click right, you get a lot of options, and here for each command with this little icon on the right, you have some options to choose from. For example, the optimize, you can select all these options. When you go to the Cinema 4D Python manual, here you have the function and the options to add options to your command plugin. So we're going to add this one to our first command plugin. Also very important is to add in your register command plugin this option. It indicates that the command plugin has an option dialog. And here we have the options dialog. Of course, first of all, you create a layout, very simple one, just a checkbox and a yes or no interface. I'll show you. You see this is the option and this is OK or cancel. So here's the OK and cancel, and here's the checkbox. So very straightforward. This is all you have to do. Add these option dialog function class and this option in your register command plugin to the command plugin. I'll show you. So first of all, I'll have an option check the tags. So only the subdivision service with this tag will be changed, will be used. And as you can see here, only this one is set or reset. If you change the option, do not check the tags. This one is also changed. And here you can see. Okay, I hope this was again a very useful plugin. Let me know if you have any questions.